Sam's gonna crawl, everybody. Go, Locust, go. You can do it.
Come on.
You can do it.
Come get it.
He's all, nuh-uh, Mom, you're gonna take it from me, I know it.
When the boys came down, there he goes. When the boys came down, we just cruised right over here. You're making a liar out of me. You're making a liar out of me.
He moved a couple of steps, Mom. He's like, okay, I'm ready.
Come get it. Here. Want it?
Yay! Good boy. Yay, Locust.
Yay!
He likes the Chinese finger trap. Yay, big boy.
Good boy. Come get it. It's over here. Get it. You better get that, Michael. Go get it.
Like, Mom, you're not nice.
Here. Go get it. Get it. Go get it. Dang it, Michael. Come get me.
I'm gonna get it. He says, I'm gonna get it, Mom. You can't keep it from me this time.
Yay! So cute.
Locust. Good boy.
He started doing it 2 days ago.
Now he's gonna get trapped in that. Trapped in the finger trap. Locust. You silly boy. Locust. Hey, you, baby. With the white hair. Locust. Hey, you. You were going to give me some attention or I have to spank your butt.
I got this. Locust. Can I have that? Michelle,
There he is.
there he is. Look.
Oh.